Welcome to English with Colleen. In this video, we'll be using the verb to be in the simple present tense. What is the most important verb in English? Comment below. The most important verb in English is the verb to be. Why is to be so important? To be helps you say a lot. Your name. My name is Colleen. Your age. I am 40 years old. Am I really 40 years old? No, but that's okay. Your nationality. I am from the United States. I am American. Your feelings. I am excited. Woohoo! To be helps you describe things. It is a beautiful day. In short, to be helps me introduce myself. I am Colleen. I am 40 years old, perhaps. I am from the United States. I am a teacher. I am excited. And it is a beautiful day. Now it's your turn. Using these sentence frames, describe yourself in the comments below. Pause this video and do it right now. Now let's describe other people. Here is the verb to be in the simple present tense. Repeat after me. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Look at this woman. How old is she? What is her nationality? What is her job? How does she feel? You can use the verb to be to describe this woman. She is 24 years old. She is from China. She is a doctor, and she is happy. Look at this boy. How old is he? What is his nationality? What is his job? How does he feel? Use he is to describe him. He is 8 years old. He is from Mexico. He is a student. He is sad. Look at this animal. How old is it? What is its nationality? What is its job? How does it feel? Use it is to describe it. It is 5 years old. It is from Germany. It is a German Shepherd. It is a service dog. It is ready. Now let's describe ourselves. Look at us. How old are we? What is our nationality? What is our job? How do we feel? When you're describing a group of people, including yourself, you have to use we. And I'm going to describe us, so you and me. So first of all, we are young. Of course we're young. Nationality, we are citizens of the world, or world citizens. What's our job? Right now, we are learners. We are both learners. And our feelings? We are happy. So I am happy that you are still watching my video. And if you are still watching my video, you must be happy with it. We use they are to describe a group of people not including ourselves. Look at them. How old are they? What is their nationality? What is their job? How do they feel? They are old. They are from Canada. They are teachers. They are cold. There are many contractions that go with the verb to be. When we speak, we shorten words to say them quicker. Contractions are two words put together. If you haven't already, watch my short video called Beginner English Contractions. Once again, if you have not described yourself in the comments below, I'd like you to do it now. Take this opportunity to practice. You are awesome. Thank you for watching my video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel below.